All right, how's it going, family? Welcome to our final day of our buff booster. No Natures 5-star. So, God. If you guys watched yesterday, oh man, it was terrible. I'm not in, well, anyway, let's see. And defense is at a E, just wonderful colors. Let's see, 18.7%. That's the lowest. Well, what can you do? All right, so let's see if I could at least pull into the top 10%. I have the Heroes chest open. And just in case I don't get very far, I'm going to see if I could at least... we're going to do some rating. All right, so it looks like I'm going to have to probably go with Nature. No, not Nature. Ice. Ice, baby. All right, so we're going to keep her in. And who am I going to use? Do they have minions? They do. Well, he's a druid. But oh, no. That's the rogue one. I wanted this Magni. Let's see here. Then we're going to go with... I think I'm going to keep Regarden. Well... let's do this. One of having one healer is enough because we know that they just have such special interest in getting rid of the healers. It's so amazing. And it's not like I'm making it up. You guys have actually seen it. Okay. So, let's hope for the best. I'm not buying back. That's for damn sure. Wow. Okay, well, this looks promising. Let's lower the volume. How convenient. A nature and an ice diamond? This is just simply amazing. Okay. Let's see what we're going to do here. Wow, no revive? Okay, I think we're going to move to the left. Everything going to the box to the left. Okay. Keep talking that mess, that's fine. Alright. That guy's still not dead? These guys are made out of cast iron. Unbreakable. Alright. So, looks like I'm gonna need a hero in... Oh. Let's see what we're gonna do here. I think we're gonna use Ursena against Lemonwood. I wanted to use a hero in fire. And then I think we'll go with Custom Kuro. So the idea is to give him defense down. No. Attack down. We'll have Marjana for the fire tiles. Plus the... Am I going to need a... I'm not sure if I'm going to need Dispel. I don't think there's anything to Dispel. So I wonder if I should use the other version. Okay. So we're going to have attack down, defense down, plus fire damage. Ursena to protect us from Lemonwood. And ice tiles for all the reds. Okay, let's try it out. Oh boy, this just... Oh man. Wow. I can't. Okay. This is a complete setup. Stop, please stop. Please stop. Please stop. All right, well. Might as well. That was already set to failure. Setting up for failure. So, let's focus on something else. I think I'll try this one. And I'll go with... Let's try something. Let me see how this is going to work. I'm going to protect myself against horse. I wish he would have attacked at least more. She served her purpose. Let's try that again. Okay, let's just try one last time. I'm not going to change it up. It is what it is. Oh, that's right. This. It's not gonna happen. So let's just go back in there. See what if we do. I have anyone else to battle against? No. Let's see if I go with my holy team. Let me see. Should I go with another healer? I'm just trying to at least fill up that hero's chest. That's all I want to do. Let's see if I can get Rosanna up before that baseball player. Okay, perfect. Two. Yeah, and the fans go wild. Okay. Unfortunately, these are going to go directly into Sobek, so it will charge them up, so someone will die. And it had to be the healer. Damn, I was so close. Let's try that again. Come on, yellow tiles, where are they? that's right. I think the baseball player punishes. How is it I get the same results? Ah, boy. Okay, let's try one more time. I refuse to change my teams. If I can get a decent board instead of a mix of colors I don't need. Oh, that's right. He dispels that. I forgot about that passive. Oh, wow. Blues and greens. Man, I was hoping that one. Wow. Isn't that so trippy? That one tile, that cascade went right into Sobek. I would have had this one. Okay, that's it. Can't fight these overpowered teams anymore. Let's just find an opponent that actually have a good chance of. Let's edit the team. We'll go for this. Wait, was that that was Aries, right? Yeah. Let's do. Got a lot to lose. Okay, so we're going to take care. We're going to do these three. Incredible. Every color but the one I actually need. Finally. So we got one more. Well, actually two more. You know what? I'm just going to stick with this. See if we can get through this for the remainder of the... Although, let's change this around. So you can see a playthrough. I don't make this up. Look at all these nature tiles. Not a nature hero in sight. Not on my team, though. We're gonna... Oh, they have no healer. All right. I think I need one more. Let's go. I don't even pay attention to the team. It has a whole grip of 4 stars. All right, go ahead and get your little moment to shine. Oh. Okay. Let's see what we got in these chests that I struggled so hard to get. I think I was trying to complete something in the, what is it? I can't even remember the name of it. No, not there. The path, yeah. All that for just this. All right, cool beans. Thanks for watching. Oh, thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Peace out, and I mean it. Bye, family.